Have you ever opened your fridge in the morning and said, "Oh no, I don't have any coffee"? Well, in natural English, we just say, "I ran out of coffee." Run out means to finish something completely when there's none left. For example, I ran out of time. I ran out of ideas. I ran out of money. And here is a common mistake. Many learners say, run out from. That's wrong. Always say run out of. So, don't run out of useful English phrases. Check out my 50 phrase verb book. It's made for Japanese professionals who want to sound natural, fluent, and confident in real conversations.